Hello everyone, this is Dipali and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will be talking about the birthday and anniversary tile. We will see how to configure it, when is the tile available on the home page, and the kind of issues that come up while we configure it. I would recommend you to watch this video till the end, and people who are new to the topic should practice this in the test instance to get the most benefit out of it. Moreover, please also check the other topics in the playlist. Link for the playlist is provided in the description below. And practice those as well in the test system to enhance your confidence. If you happen to be new, please consider subscribing down below. Hit the bell icon to get notifications on my new videos. Without further ado, let's get started now. The birthday and work anniversary tile can be accessed from the Manage home page. If you go to Manage home page, you can search for the birthday and anniversary tile. The tile is available only for the managers. It is available under the My Team section of the home page by default. You can see this tile on the home page only if the birthday of the direct report or the matrix report is within the next 5 days. If the birthday of either the direct report or the matrix report is not within the next 5 days, the tile will not be available on the home page, or the birthday will not be updated for that particular employee on the tile. Say for example, if an employee has a birthday today, the text on the tile will be birthday today. And if the work anniversary is in the next 3 days, the text that you can see on the tile will be work anniversary in 3 days. So these are the two different examples of the text that one can see on the tile. So the text on the tile shows up to appear 5 days prior to the actual date, and this is something which is hard coded to appear 5 days before and cannot be controlled. If the birthday or anniversary is before or after 5 days, there will not be any text available on the tile. This means that the manager should check once in 5 days for the upcoming birthdays and work anniversaries of his team. Let's take an example of the manager. Here the manager is Sprint 2, Manager 2. There are 2 employees under this manager for whom the birthday has been maintained. They are Test Stuff and Spring 2 Employee 1. So if I go to the employee profile of Test Stuff, in the biographical information, the date of birth is maintained as 12th of September 1950. And in the general information, which in this case is the people profile, the date of birth is also 12th of September 1950. If I check the other employee, Sprint to Employee 1, the biographical information has date of birth maintained as 13th of September. And the general information is also updated with the same date of birth. Now when I proxy as the manager, so I can see that under the My Team section, the birthday and the work anniversary tile is available. And we have the text upcoming employee milestones. And there are 2 events that are coming up in the near future. So if I click on this, I can see that these 2 employees, Employee 1 has birthday in 4 days and Employee Test has birthday in 3 days. If the photo of the direct report or the matrix report is maintained in the profile, it appears on the tile. And if I hover on the photo, you can see that the full name of the employee gets displayed. If the configuration is set to pull the default photo, a default photo along with the name on top of the tile is displayed if the photo is not maintained for the employee. I will close this and become self. Birthday and work anniversary are activated together and are shown on the tile. As of now, it is not possible to show or have only birthdays or only the work anniversary on the tile. Both are always shown together currently. There are 2 kinds of issues that we encounter. What happens is the birthday does not appear on the tile It doesn't intimate the manager that the employee has upcoming birthday in the next 5 days. And one of the main reasons for this is, though we have maintained the date of birth correctly in the biographical information, this doesn't sync to the people profile, which in this case is the general information section. So after maintaining the biographical information with the correct date of birth, it has to sync to the people profile, and this is done through the HRIS sync. The sync job runs in provisioning, usually every day or depending upon how it is configured in your system. And once that job runs and updates the biographical information of the people profile, only then you can see your tile being updated with the correct date of birth. So this is one thing that we should always remember. The people profile needs to be synced with the employee profile to pull the birthdays or the anniversary on the tile. And the sync job should be running successfully for the data to show on the profile. And then there are other cases when the data does not appear, when the birthdays or anniversaries are not maintained for the employee. So in order to maintain the birthday or the anniversaries, we should use the extended user information. So to use that, we need to go to the admin center and extended user information, and we can export the extended user information, get the template, fill the data and import the expanded user information. More details about the extended user information will be discussed in a separate video. And once we have the extended user information maintained and the sync job running, the birthday and the anniversaries will show up correctly on the tile. And in order to remove this particular tile from the home page, we can move the tile to the not used section. If I move the tile to the not used section, we can see that it appears under the not used section. And if I click on preview, under my team, I can see that birthday tile is not available. Click on close and save. Your changes were successfully saved. This is the message that I receive. Now, when I proxy as the manager, I should not be seeing the tile on the home page. So under the My Team section, I see that there is no birthday or anniversary tile. In order to enable the tile again, I will select default, and if I go to the default tab, I can see that the birthday or the anniversary tile by default comes up under the My Team section. This is how it has been designed. So if I click on preview under My Team, I can see that the birthday or anniversary tile is available. And this is just a preview. Data that we see here is the static data, and this is just to show how will the tile appear on the home page. I'll click close and save. Proxy as manager again. And I can see that my birthday and work anniversary tile is back again, along with the same information that I had maintained previously. So just to summarize, in order to show the birthday or work anniversary tile on the home page, we need to always remember that it is available only for the direct managers or the matrix manager, only when the birthday or the work anniversary is in the next 5 days, otherwise not. The date of birth and the date of the work anniversary should be maintained correctly in the respective portlet, and it should be synced properly to the people profile. Only once the data has been synced successfully to the people profile, we can see the correct birthday and the work anniversary updated on the tile. So this is all from me today. So thank you so much for watching the video. I hope it was helpful for you. Do remember to check my other videos. Link for the playlist is provided in the description below. You can click the link which you see on the end screen as well. Do comment in the comment section if you're looking for any specific topics in the Employee Central area. See you soon in my next video. Thank you and bye for now.